In today's video, I am starting the clean up and clean out of the upstairs living area. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. My name is Courtney and I love decorating, DIYing, thrifting, shopping hauls, everything lifestyle, honey. If you enjoy that type of content, you have reached the right channel. But today, as you saw from the title, we are preparing to sell our house in Pennsylvania and move to Florida full-time for retirement. And I'm kicking it off with the master bathroom. I am clearing away all the decor, then I'm going to paint the entire bathroom. Now, I realize that you really can't tell on camera, but the walls are scuffed, they're dingy, and I smoke. Okay, yes, I smoke. So smoking in the bathroom has made the ceilings and walls yellow tinged, and I don't like that. I want a nice, fresh palette for the new owner. So I invite you to grab a drink or snack. Sit back and watch how I do things, or clean along with me, paint along with me, get it done with me. I hope I give you some motivation and some tips here and there that'll help you along the way to get some needed jobs done in your home, or if you're selling, maybe these tips will help. At least I hope so. So I'll check back in with you a little bit later on. So I spackled and prepared all the walls, sanded the spackle down so everything is good. I removed all the outlet covers, and here we are and ready to start painting. I did a massive moving sale on Facebook Marketplace and everything sold amazingly well. I don't know if I mentioned before, this house is 3,000 square feet, 2.5 acres. We are moving into 1,500 square foot, quarter-acre home. So a lot of it has to go. We are doing a massive downsize, and I am going for a lighter, brighter feel in Florida. So I am getting rid of all of my dark espresso wood furniture, and if you've seen any of the videos from Florida, my color palette is white, silver, and gray. Everything sold amazingly well, and a young couple that just purchased their home took most of the living room pieces, and they are super happy with their purchase. Just wanted to give you an update on where I am. I completed the entire bathroom, and as you saw with those angles, I just could not cut in the beige. So I painted the whole bathroom white, It's clean, and they have a fresh, clean bathroom here, all the way up to the top. And what I had to do was tape a paintbrush onto my painting stick to get those upper areas, and it was hard. So I still have some cleanup to do. Moving into the master bedroom, I hope you can make out the difference here. This is unpainted. This is where I started painting. So I did the trim all the way around the windows. I did spackle the holes where I took down. I just have to put a little paint on. I did all of the window sills. They look beautiful. Everything is nicely painted, including the rag. Going all the way around here, everything is freshly painted. And I stopped right here. I painted the entire wall here because this is where my headboard used to sit. I just want to finish up the edge trim in this room. Where I used to have the over the door hangers, it scraped up the inside of the door sill. So this is where I am today. Again, I have some screws and nails I want to take down and spackle those areas. Here's the hole. And this wall here, I will have to take down all of my African mask collection, which I did take some to Florida. I didn't hang them up yet. And then spackle all the nail holes. Nail holes and marks here. And then this area, and this is from moving furniture up and down the staircase. The ceiling of this staircase needs some work. Okay, so, and the railing is horrible, as you can see. The railing is all scraped. That's my foster kids running cars and everything else up and down the stairs. So that needs to be addressed as well. So I'm going to sit you down and get right to it. Today's video is in collaboration with my beautiful sisters of the Home Decor Luxe Club. And honey, we are blinging on the fall. Every season, our main host, Lady Allie, gets us together to bring you all kinds of decorating inspiration. And in this season, I am putting this house up for sale, and we are out of here, moving to Florida full time. So that is what my Bling on the Fall is all about this season of life. Links to all of our channels as well as the playlist can be found in my description box below. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and it gave you some inspiration. Let me know what you think in those comments because you know I love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next Friday at 6 p.m. See you then.